Hey everyone! Welcome back to White Hat Workspace, the place where hacking meets learning. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Amass on Windows 11 step by step. If you're into bug bounty hunting, OSINT, or ethical hacking, then Amass is a must-have tool for subdomain enumeration. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll walk you through everything from download to first scan. So grab your keyboard, and let's dive in. First, we need to install Go in our system. For that, open the browser and, here search Go install Windows, then open the first link. Then download this, according to your operating system. Now, open the file and do exactly I'm doing to install the application. After installing Go, now is the perfect time for us to install Amass in our system. Open your browser and search Amass GitHub. Then, click on the first link. This is the official repo for Amass project. I'll give you the link in this description. Copy this command, then open your command prompt. Now, paste the command and hit enter. This will download and install the Amass in our system. Next, we need to restart our terminal. For that, close this and reopen it again. Type this, and it will show you the Amass help panel. But for some reason, if you got an error during this process, then you can ask me in the comments section. Now let's test by doing some recon on google.com and see if this app works perfectly or not. For doing that, use this command. You'll find in detail usage method in the official repo of this project. And that's it. You've now successfully installed Amass on Windows 11. Now you're ready to start hunting subdomains like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a cybersecurity tip or hacking tutorial. Got questions or facing issues? Drop them in the comments below, I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, hack responsibly.